All right, so this is Math 152, which is statistics. I'm going to be highlighting some of the fun features of my course. So one thing I do is every Friday I post a Funny Friday, which is a math meme. And within this, I'll put other announcements and things that the students need to be aware of. But it's fun to have a little bit of a sense of humor and share something related to what we're learning in a funny way. Another thing that I do is I have welcome videos posted that actually show my face in my office. So my students can get a feel for who I am, connect the face with the personality, and see where I work. And often when they come to see me and ask questions, they're like, hey, you look just like you do online. It's like, yes, because I am your teacher. That is my face. So I've got all of the epic stuff that is required, filling the students in about the course, including test dates, a grade breakdown, grade policies, links to syllabus, a printable calendar, links to software downloads, and expectations for the students. In lessons, every folder is set up exactly the same. We're on a week-by-week schedule in this course, and the start of the folder showed the dates and what we're covering that week. And I find that it's really helpful to really be clear with these folders so that when students are going back to study later, they don't have to hunt and dig through the different weeks to find the material they need to review. They can go straight to it. And within every folder, they'll have the same information. We have our learning objectives first, and followed by our learning objectives is a short, usually about 90-second video of me hitting the highlights of the week, telling them things to be aware of, giving them tips, and trying to relate what we're covering to real life. And then they have a printable checklist every week that they can open up. Usually they're in Word documents, and it physically has checks that they can mark beside each item as they do it to make sure that they have completed everything. And then within each folder, we have a subfolder for each section in the book. And within each of these subfolders, they have all the resources they need for that topic, which usually includes some PowerPoints, a video that I make showing them the Excel typically and how to do the Excel for the course. Then we have extra notes that are often available and helpful with things that I would say in class that you just don't always say in online. And then lab book pages and keys for the lab book so they can do their work and check it. And every um, week is set up exactly the same way. So we have the learning objectives, their checklist, all the different lessons. And then at the bottom, there's usually a mini project where they get to apply everything that we've learned that week into a little project and then submit for a grade to get real feedback on how they're doing. And my students say that my classes are very well organized. They always know where to go to find stuff. We have constant questions and answers going on the online collaboration menu. And then my voice, my face, my presence is fully embedded with frequent videos and announcements so that they always know I am a present professor in their